The Law of Gender Explained. This is video number 12 in a series explaining the 12 universal laws for beginners. If you haven't seen the first 11, make sure to watch them for a better understanding. The law of gender is easily one of the lesser known of the universal laws, but don't just ignore the law of gender. Like all the other laws of gender is important for a fulfilling life. What is the law of gender? The law of gender is similar to the law of polarity. It is about opposites, where the law of polarity is about opposites of anything and everything. The law of gender looks at two energies, masculine and feminine. Everything in the world has a masculine and feminine. The most commonly viewed and probably well-known way to look at this is the yin and the yang. The yin is the feminine energy and the yang is masculine. They both are intertwined, making a whole being. But look closely. Within the feminine lies a small dot of masculine, and within the masculine lies a small dot of feminine, representing that both the masculine and feminine are present in the masculine and the feminine. It is in everything. Why is the law of gender important? The law of gender is important because it shows both sides, the feminine and the masculine, of everything, and each has their own traits. If we can know that everything has a masculine and feminine, and understand how to notice their traits, we can start using the law of gender to benefit our lives. Feminine energy is very giving, receptive, passive, and inward flowing. It is our empathetic and compassionate side. The feminine energy is electrical. It's the me, the self, and I am. Masculine energy is taking, action-oriented, and outward flowing. It is the power of will, determination, and the conscious mind. It is the magnetic side. It is the I in I am. Everything in life presents itself with these two sides. The right and left brains, for example, collaborate. One side boasts logic, masculine, and the other side boasts creativity, feminine. The soul and the ego are the same way. The soul is present and calm, feminine, where the ego is dominant and forceful, masculine. It is important when we discuss this that we do not get too convoluted in the discussion of gender, gender roles, and which gender someone is. This is not what this is about, and frankly, there is too much noise about that in the world today. This is about energies, and understand that everything and everyone has feminine and masculine energies, even males and females. Females possess masculine energies within them, although mostly feminine energies are dominant. The same goes for males on the flip side. Understanding these energies, and that they are all around us, will help you to live a more powerful and fulfilling life. How to use the law of gender. Like the law of polarity and the law of rhythm, there really isn't any specific thing you can do to use the law of gender. The most important thing is know they are around, know they are present in your everyday, and start to notice them around you. For example, if you get an idea, that is the feminine power. Why some say you conceive an idea at work. As you rationalize the idea and put it into action, that is the masculine energy at work. When something drastic or emotional happens in your life, that initial rock of emotions is the feminine energy. The masculine energy creates a plan to ride out the issue. You need both the masculine and feminine in life. Literally, without the masculine and feminine, life would not exist. Start looking for ways the law of gender is at play in your life. Notice the soft yet emotional strength in the feminine power and the strong, determined power in the masculine energy. To learn more, check out other videos on this channel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.